Hi, how's everyone doing despite the pandemic? I hope everyone is doing well and safe. And today we'll be talking all about electromagnetic spectrum. So first, I just want to introduce myself. I am Mary Joyce Dinampo and I am currently studying at one of the prestigious university in Negros Oriental, the Negros Oriental State University. And today, we will be talking all about electromagnetic spectrum. What is this electromagnetic spectrum? When you think of light, you probably think of what your eyes can see. But the light to which our eyes are sensitive is just the beginning. It is the sliver of the total amount of light that surrounds us. The electromagnetic spectrum is the term used by the scientists to describe the entire range of light that exists. From radio waves to gamma rays, most of the light in the universe is in fact invisible to us. In order from highest to lowest energy, the section of the electromagnetic spectrum named gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, and radio wave. But first, let us define what is this frequency and wavelength. Frequency is the number of waves per second, while wavelength is the distance from peak of one wave to the next one. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelength and has the most energy of any wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves are generated by radioactive atoms and in nuclear explosions. Gamma rays can kill living cells, a fact which medicine used to its advantage, using gamma rays to kill cancerous cells. It has a wide application in a medical field. Gamma ray imaging is used to see inside our bodies. Interestingly, the universe is the biggest gamma ray generator of all. Second one is the X-ray. X-rays are types of electromagnetic spectrum or radiation, probably most well known for their ability to see through a person's skin and reveal of bones beneath it. X-rays can be used in many instances. For example, a doctor can use an X-ray machine to take an image of the bone and teeth. Another example is the airport security personnel. They use X-ray to see through and check bags. The third one is the ultraviolet light. It is the range of the electromagnetic spectrum between visible light and X-rays. UV light is a component of sunlight, however, it is invisible to the human eye. It has a numerous medical and industrial application, but it can damage living tissue. Sun is the main source of ultraviolet radiation. It causes skin tanning and burns. Hot materials that are in space also emit ultraviolet radiations. The fourth one is the visible light. Visible light is found in the middle of this electromagnetic spectrum between infrared and ultraviolet. More generally, visible light is defined as the wavelength that are visible to the most human eye. Visible light can be detected by our eyes. Light bulbs, stars, etc. that emits visible light. The fifth one is the infrared. It is the range of the electromagnetic spectrum between microwaves and visible light. Infrared light is invisible to human eyes, but we can feel it as heat if the intensity is sufficient. It is used widely in night vision goggles. These devices can read and capture the infrared light emitted by our skin and objects with heat. In space, infrared light helps to map the interstellar dust. The sixth one is the microwave. Microwave fall in the range of the electromagnetic spectrum between radio wave and infrared. Microwaves are used for high bandwidth communications, radar, and as a heat source for microwave ovens and industrial applications. This type of radiation is found in microwaves and helps in cooking at home or in office. It is also used by astronomers to determine and understand the structure of nearby galaxies and stars. The last one is the radio wave. Radio waves are at lowest range of the electromagnetic spectrum with frequency up to about 30 billion hertz or 30 gigahertz and wavelength greater than about 10 millimeters. Radio wave is used primarily for communications including voice data and entertainment media. To recall, these are the seven sections of electromagnetic spectrum. Thank you.